side effect. You get side effect. Nyamia sami ya dokro. Ukoti wo nyamia sama, you'll be in trouble. Adiana was side effect. To know what bopons ya uye de nim yedukra no be didi watem. Ghana we are some so obi be she polar neck on the American award no ni polar neck ne da ha wasra ye say ya to run atade na technicolist. Obi a wa bomeshi okukuru ni dia soa na nimu nyina tutu. Ade wo she ne se che timi se wasra ama technicolist ya jedie. Verse 8 is very common verse. Nkolai ni said the beya yesuba omon kasa asem no omante. O se said the Onyankopon do wiase ni a wode ne ba wo no kro no mai. Na obiara ti ni yiba. Obiara waji ni di no onyira. Obinya dankwa. This is a great privilege our Onyankopon di amount insurance if you can run faster. Now what benefit it? E was insurance you won't die twice. And then see, was so obiara wajini dino onyera na obenya dankwa. Oko I say John 14 chapter 6. Was say mede wo kwan ne kora ene nkwa. Obi nkwa eja ne nchen age se onam meso. So what you say? Owie ye no asa kan John 14 verse 1. Was mama koma ntutu munyi Onyankopon ni meso Yesu Kristo munyi mini. Na tena bia pii wo meje fie ente sa nka me nkasa me ko ma ko siesie baabi mama mo ne se me ko na me ko siesie baabi a mesan aba na baabi a me wo no mo so mo wo. So what you say? Owie no sande ye ko e dey say Romans chapter 8 e dey say John 1:12. O se dudu a woje won oje me no o se dudu a woje no no oje ni dindi ye no wo ma won tumi se onye Onyankopon ma nti se obeji Awurade no oje ni din na dia wo di tumi abaye tumi be free soro wo de be dom wo de be chaw free nti wo bobo nsem we nyina so nti se wo hwe nsem a bobo so ya e kire se nkoji free ba bia emma eka Yesu Kristo enkuto mu nti se wo change nija na wo ko Buddha wo ko Hare Krishna wo ko ho ahwan enkremo nyame oringi sorry whatever only Jesus Christ and I what to me into a church and some of bossy with the man cannot do a crowd your wife when he from who said was to do John 1:12 was to do our Jane now what Jane when or Jane Yesu Christo do our Jane no what Jane did Yesu Christo ni di no one more to me so o me ye Nyankopon emma. So what I say ye meye ye Nyankopon emma ti so wan ni Yesu Kristo ani ha untumi meye Onyankopon ba ma ni ye. So what I say abaye no susu na ebe protect we free the eba Yesu nyina nti waka Romans chapter 8 verse 9 was so obi ni Kristo honhom onye ne dia which is wan yi Kristo dia and wode ne honhom no ebe wura mu untumi nye Nyankopon until se waji Yesu Kristo Nazareth ni no edi answer nti wose they say so obi ni Kristo honhom ti na chese obi a wonyi Kristo ni no onya de obenya Yesu Kristo honhom wose so obi ni Kristo honhom onya ne dia unya Awurade dia so onya dia obi protect you. So what you say nti na me come for Jesus Christ ama obi bia o hwe me ye nimra emra na aka no isa sabre we your grace period so what chain no Nyankopon be ya dom no free had to come Israel for back here you will be in trouble woso a why you Nyankopon ba ni kuramu ye na one save it's not forever save sabre we wo mu di agoro ye bebo obeti say panyan ni age de komu bi foforo. So what you say to be very wise and no me share Facebook or no so will be almost so one share max so said ye o si be kasan chire me san woni me ni pakura me ah wo yin ko me o kasan chire me san and kasan chire me san I looked the me ti wo madwim say Yesu anko be sa ye mu bi hoahoa ye ho dodo. Ye mu bi kye ye ho dodo. Ye mu bi mema ya beti so dodo. Ye mu bi chese ye bi mu bon ye dodo. Gama so ye di. Oni nipa wo ye say ye no kore. But you don't have to show off. Which is say, o to be paya sasim mani mrem aka paya sasim wo ha mani mrem. Ye hwe yo. Na adom no nka ye dia. Na nka ye ka ho. So what ye replacement? Until we have to be very careful. So the way they so gina wo no hwe ye no wan yase. So what you say? You mu bi yesusu ye ya na edifo yi bia koye pe. Ye mu bi. Sister gina ho na tade si fom se bi dia boni duku. Kama. Nso die free na no mu ba the way she's talking no to musa hantan ewura no. Uyonko ne me. A Christopher nka uyonko ne me. We don't talk like that. You mu bi ye very careful. So what you say? Yes, yare na ba a na mo mframa mu. Yes, obi anhye max. Uji Yesu Kristo di ampa. Moja na so yare bi entumi nyawo. But it's good. The almost so mo ye no. That's okay. Put the max on also. Because you say I'm for max na you cannot enter. And you want to go. Into what are you going to do? Who better my bufu? No what do me nkofo akasa tia krofo. Yesu ankobe yesa. Don't do that. Yesu Kristo no wato. Obi she max no so ya yedi bia ka no. Emfa ho. So what you say? Nti wo musi chance na ya mawa twemu a enye hwe, enye sesesese ne wo koje ne yakasa da bi. Say yes sesesese me ankasa meka se dwane. Hwe yi na wanye. Wasi max wan kasa fa fi ufie ne fa hye. Enye obi na de man sa gishe no wakasa eduro wo ebekum. Nti won tuma ne bi na no twanchen. Wo musi so wanya na de ye wo de elastic asusom e fa ne fa na de ahye wo hene. Now what's it? You be the man, you're different. But don't stay there and argue with them and try to tell them, wouldn't me, wouldn't nipa me, wouldn't say the city, wouldn't whom met me. Don't brag like that. Don't do it. So from distance, people they see you. You don't need to brag before they see it. Nti you be yenye kem say no as a man be brain as a woman, please calm yourself down. Calm yourself down. Na me papa ko si work ra yem suma no kroma obehye max obehye on tena mo bi kan chen say if you see a rules say if me call downtown be enu achi usada be obi ama me rules say me man max or me whatever. But mass no make him. Me pure restore, I put it on. So what you say? Me rubber be for almost so because they say oh yes no ya. Una ni mu only oni. Until let's do that. Na inshe Kristo ni munya. Yesu sum brage. Do you know me? Uni nipa me. Uni mu metimi mu. Don't do that. Yen kasasa. Please. Especially outside, the people who doesn't know Christ, they who can on want to see on found. So what you say? You brag it to say you are for ye. Or when it to me, what to me didn't be you one horse of we don't do that. So please, let's be wise at this time. It will be so. You're funny and be known for, and you may be one if you are not bad. Enkoye na police penny wujina nanim ototo nsakasa titia no na woni me woni nipa me do you know who I am? Please don't do that. Hollywood for the to be a yes ya chino no glass madam say yes. Do you know who I am? We are not like that. So please be wise. Wise up. Yari na inch obi o shamas is watching. Yes shamas yes ye montrum do it. Wow, now pam one the flu fee. And you will be the poison you will be cool. Do it. Please. Now worse is ahead of us. Worse is coming. It will be a time you cannot buy or sell. Jenny enuhu. Now they used to pandemic. Aya, the baby wurem. Ama womu eni swadi no abem. Eno na sabre ye hwehwa hoden ye pekwan be ne be fa so ebusa awurade se de yinsin intact se eba no ye be se gina nim nye hwe max ene de se nye wo se wa na ade fie wa wo ntoma no ano wo twa na ade odi afam wa no enye obi na pam de ama wo it's yours. Titiri bi ya ye careful the way sometimes we call ourselves Christians the way you do publica. You see, Percy, a chichi, and one nipa who said, yes, one go obey. Don't do that. I'm telling you. Yeah, no, because me do, then the panicas of money on the one shama some man, Jamashe. Me could drown in yet because the Nico said, me so may read me uncle Pompey. Mesha me the man, Mesha me a media. O ko ye free the bottom mama me and imagine whom you ebi na poison wom. So what you say? Ba me am dey kuta me no I will put it on. Oh sha, who the ofu fear but don't put it on. Fashion bag. When you get to the place they say if you didn't wear it you cannot enter. Put it on. E me jira wonu metimi mu. Wonim nipa me. O say am ni say yes. I am yes of mommy. Wonim nipa don't brag like that. Don't. Now mu bi mu mama ni too much. They say concert pa mu yi wo Ghana ho na no de. Concert party no dosu. This is the time we have to be very serious. We susu ba betwa mu ana. Manka jamami anotro manka. Ai, nti sese no ye boy ho akohia Kristo. Na metu mani a. Me hu nie me bia na me yam hye. At this time we are in, it's time for us to all repent from everything. Adibia one kasa woni paduam. Utimi hu se we emfata Kristo. Emu bi nka nkyere wansa if you call yourself a Christian. Now, obi tena se no friend ho sofo mame. No wo yusu e se preko. Serious. It's getting out of hand. Na yana nipa bi wo mo hwade wasra ayese preko sese kura dey say they take pills se be obey kokko me ba wiase me hu a obi a wo woro ne ho ka aboa wo premere ni kyeremene wo mo na woro wo mo ho nipa da se ni die wo woro ho sa ya dai you call yourself Christian wo woro wo ho firi sura besi fo master. Some of them are getting injection. Some of them are taking pills. Some of them are don't do this. And when they say, yes, Christ, don't do that. Don't. We are insulting God from many ways, but we don't know. We don't see it. You wouldn't say a fashion. So what you say? In Koyi, in Kamia, he says, Ubia Paso Yakoko by force, by fire. A dear pan, a woman said, Ubiako, a dear woman, and you bruni preco, and on the best. Somebody I didn't know me today, Kamaya, the chronophone driver. And you bruni preco. Wu cobra nianza, wu cobra utu wakati unyamisa obo tintin wo aba to onsanfa onko broni. Sa upa kokwa, ye fita preko, upa so ya ponchia, mo papa mumo. It's too much. All in the name of makeup, so we be makeup no, ne ni beda huntin e wo so ye kokko. What is wrong with some of us? O friend of Christoni, no we use way as a preko. We are adopting the worldly things and we call ourselves Christians. O friend of Christoni, what one of us to standing saying the atom. We gonna go to success someone. Walk penny pabu bumugu the sono. Every we you are insulting God. Oh yeah, no one sabbath sister will bombay. You yourself, you're challenging God. You're telling God to say one more year. And I want to blows. What the two are now they are two. At the same time, you gather people of God and say you are leading players. Master, back off. Back off. And now, you know the right, but you skip it and trying to portray bad things. We are here saying we are teaching people how to get to Christ. But in the year you see ye teaching nipa na wonko Kristo no echiwade a wonyame no ye ne na tie na ne yebo atwede mfaso be na woso nyankopon se ni usi bo wo nyima wo no sa na ye ne fa wona ni so na wakosesa wegi kakrakase firi se firi na de bututi na wudi nyame ho fro se kasei na wasako ye wo ana wanya wo sa nti wankasa woni onyame atu etie gina wo ana mu yiyi chese waka na waka. So what you say? Disobedient and yet someone na was so obedient is better or so obedient is better than sacrifice. Me life me abesi wo me say me leading go for to Christ but me ankasa na me say me leading go for to Kristo no me ankasa me ni Kristo no wa twede bo ye bo atwede we are fighting me try say woni munyansa ye di bo nipa say na ko bo me aka me ho be ye fe o ma me ni gu ma wa mu a ka me ho ye fe pa but wanye ni sa ti me ni na me chen say de o ye no wanye ni yiti o say me ba o me busa sam kitwa du ha nsa na makopai mu ni yete Ghana aye mu bi ti fi twahye mu so obi twe praye de duru na praso na wo pra na afa di ade eche na obi so twe praye no efiri na chi no wo pra ba omukro omu ye nipa ya na de ne besie opeso obu ne sai opeso o kire ne se na djuma no ye no wanye ni ye wan praye e pra na anfi enya kama nti o se o ye ni ye enti so onyame bo wuni kakra bi eye wutuntum na so obesra obesisa Brazilian hair good tri so wo kire nyame se de wo ye no wanye ni ye ti wo ye ni ye nti wodidi na tem mumu bi ya wonti ase wa ho de already se menya no sa wo ya na wonti ase wa te wonti ase wa ho da ben na wosebo esakra ne ho enumraye da ben na chichidi ka ti already se already ufi bo menye ne o wa ma bo bi enyime nko wa ma me bi da ben a chichidi da so te se de wote de di class sa he wo da so te se de wote osebo da so te se de wote o wansane what is that you what here kwa le du be hia no na fita aboni kom what is that you what here wan kan je ready say ready na me nyesofo na kareka ya odi abom yie won kan what that suit is that you what here but nipa ba our friend who Kristo ni was some better say no some buttons sister tons na wo bon say ye di ready fisro e de manipa e de chana kwa a ejedi ekire di bi si wo Pentecost da no a katama yi be sisi wo mapampa mu no a de ejedi ekire no say ye bia nkasa honhom no betra what you doing is not right and can you can't even come out with anything that ebe insult to unyankopon and you won't do it. Yes ye penkwanje yes yes unyame hu ye bobo ba ye ni ye nyina nso ya timdidia edidi awurade atem nkoyi uti kumasifie edru weda ye twie so na akotwe dwaye uti musampa wo de paras wo twie dwaye na nkasa uti wo ho asese wo twie dwaye wo so ne pie wo firi wo dem a obi so fa bucket akusi wonom na onu so tutu paras mo wo sa twie dwaye opese wo kire wo se wadwuma wo ye no wanye ne ye. So what you say? And then you took Babesia, no, what one more than Edra. no kuta Bible no baba ne nsem kire nipa se de wonye wankasa wo chi nipa de wonye we dictate wo nyame eso watua dada we de kan yi nyame na wo sabe ka se wo bi se wono no en obe awrade na anye bia yi die se mpu na mansam ye wo bi de why is this ya brabo bi sabe wo ye yi wo mu no e wo so bia e ma na brabo e fata Kristo asempa e wo so bia e ma na brabo wo bo wasase we so e fata Kristo asempa no nko na dia kono nye and you may be sound good and you may be koye and then nipa da se ni to na ni kosua yi o pese o change no ko fa rubber no dia ahye so na ni na yesa okra. So what you say? They were doing everything to insult God. Everything in their power to insult God. Me yesi so ya ma me no si so yi na ehunso obi atwi makeup. There was so cry no this Saturday night father and no one skirt and blouse. And so they makeup on you want different colors. Yet you meet chia anyway you say something previous. If you had done. And then say ni pano me pretty ni framunti. That's what they see beautiful. But yet when you we don't see it as beautiful. No way. So what do you say? Your Bible no. Jeremiah 13:23. Your Bible no call. Jeremiah chapter 13 verse 33. Nipa. Jeremiah 13:33. Your Bible no call. Nkoyi ya bra bobi nenye. Ya bra bobi no enkoye 13:23 sorry. Ya bra bobi no enkoye emfata. Nye. Ya bra bobi nenye. Osina Ethiopia ni betumi asachira ne wedie. Ana se osebo besachira ne ho enwuraye. Ene mu onso mu betumi aye papa. Mu boni mu osede mo boni yo enko akwa mu enti mebo won apeti se enteta esre so mframa di no ekro osinti obebo ya apeti se enteta esre so mframa osi Ethiopia ni ebitima satira na wedie na wosebo obetima satira ne ho na onipa wona wa ya chiti unyankopon nipa wona wa abuo kuro wunyensa so woni di nyame atem but nipa da se nipa so wotre unyame se wona ne ye pe at least what change mpo nti ni be waye anye yinti oso no sakra. What kind of behavior is that? We are no my Bible so na wo bo nyame din na mafodi na chi. Sister bi wo me Facebook ana me de mani na ha de. Wa wuro no ho se preko. Wo so le so no fa Bible. No shata de kakaka se me de. No betra ba le ba wo she na utu se sister na wuro no ho ankasa. Wa wuro no ho about 3 times. Layers no wa yi the bed 3 times. Tikiyasi ebeti domanim. Niye no makotre Kristo dia. And was saying can you practice what we preach? We have to let our lifestyle speak volumes to others. You ask yourself, yes, one kobeye. Is it by force to be fair? And you by force to say what's that? Obi anya koko, am edie de womu. What is in there? Yeyo, and the yamanipa, ewu yesa. And sound good as Christians. And Rona will take him out, say, about more echo, when side effects are woman, when in the bit me, it can give you cancer. Panina yedi awo say wo kokoko no. When you betimi dia ye because you by forcing doing something by force or any system nim. Enkuna wote no when you betimi ye wo. And this is the first pa who hospital you will never see nurse in here when you so. No we more respect to ourselves pa. We shall not miss the by now. Wo run want to say breko no she na Saturday nke mu kura nyi lusu kakra na de dane koto dwe ha na sa chichiro nti most people o mama nurses idie no animunyam kura nimbiem first we be share university liba who say wasra say university liba na apa no hu there be but now is there idie na mu je Christ will appear. Yes, we are so for mammy. No was refing the so I could see the Nancy. Oh, wrong. Would you put away and would cheat you, Uncle Pam? Was it Utopia? A bit to Master Tran already. Yabu, a boy, we are seeing the same easy boy a calano. Sammy, a boy in you who we are so. We go away a light, craby. Sani yedi dem sa obi si yetu Sani yedi dem sa Sani wunyame ti so no hwa colors different colors no eye me fe santi na ma obo ye sa ene wunyame nim se we ye kokonti ne ho ofesi we won ti sa yenyame no nti sa yenyame no obi a okuta wono ane kala no ahodi wom sani pa no kwa wonyare ya rough so wo mu ko ba bi ne nyame fasama accident bi kokosia ye pama instead in healing the be different from obi a wasra obi a wo panie obi a take pills enkoye we are killing ourselves first ye ma me ni mu be wure dwom no otentomajo so no wasra na a descendant so be dware ni free ha oh you get side effect. You get side effect. Nyame na sabi e dokro. Ukoti wo nyame asama, you be in trouble. Ade na wo side effect. To wo no wa bopons ya wo hwe ni mienu kra na obi didi watam. Gana wi abansam yi so, obi be hye polar neck on ti America na wode no, ni polar neck ne da ha, wasra yesi ya to wo run atade na technicolist. Ubi a wabomeshi okukuru nidi aswa na nimu nyine tutu ade wo shede sechi atimi se wasra ama technicolist ya jedie. These people, they were in the churches on Sunday. Asofo ibi yesra mi de bema wasra kwa de ya mi de mi hu kura na mi hu de me ho Bama besiaba no wasra you say bruni ade edie pa ne wumu edie pa ne nipa dasani woje abrochefo ibi especially Italy mama kaso wasra tu say yes wasra bra woje die Abraso se wo sie maye dida. So for na wo kona so na wasra no me no waka meja so kokko. Kame nsi wo bi. Because wo no nkasa, wo ni nyame gina kokko amaso atutu blows. No wasafra se wo no be kira nyame kwan. No way. Ikoyi. He said you be at your pet. Obi sori o se me nufu atiegu, me kwakoye me nufu, ni etwitwa nufu yi, ni de balu akosho. Obi se meto ni ye ko twitwa ne yam na no so ye de egu ne to na ne to yi no o de shata de o so o de bo life. You are killing yourself but you don't know. Last Facebook ya so obi de assume say you bleach o say you and obi kuta de no de wira no ho ena no honam no o wira bia na ye kokko o wira bia na ye kokko e de na ye gie anye bia wo ye wo na wa wura wo sa eni be bi nkoyi abusua Sabri we ye bo bo ye ho ko hye Kristo no eni be bi wo ho no ma ye nchi ye ho firi ho enku na wo de sra ne be kun e be se si wo heaven kwan enti kotogo edru na wo tikidi ye kokko no e be kun kokotogo enkoyi wo tuna wo chichwa ye wo ye shiti wo no enye everlasting ade bi enye wo so eja na adua no anka ho side effect wo you will be in trouble. Nkoye. De bia ye bodewru, obi aso woni nyame, but ye si ni nyame, ye na ye ni nyame gina kokrama so tutu blows. Ni nyina ne se, na body a wo boy no, wa mo ni ye nyefe, nti ye wo se, ye shine no, ye brofolize no. Na me ma bra me pese me ye buruni a, me se ka me wu akoka kire nyame se, onfa me mra buruni. Yes. So what you say? Kabe me na kantan fit. Because you are you, it will be quite fit to a na bon. What was the full picture? 1990, 92. 1990 ho, ya fasa picture no emra. Na ye hwe say. E di na wo je. Ade Brazilian hair was a one, you know, and you be a you may be you know, if you ever. Now, for sister, I didn't a mere bow be beneath a fefe, and Kauni, one cassa, so uber boss, uber bonner, and you say, what will be the Nensabon, you know, about Messa Kama. Now, what tea, Genessa be beneath when Uncle Posh shed that bonner, come off a pa. What's the side we get a good tissue? What's the why I said it's a booby or team with him. We know who papa. Papa. Messia Colaki to one and do bet him. Cow to say the baby no. If you don't know. So we'll be a country when neck, Miss Sister Gia, Mabo, man, yes, sir. We give a good to you, papa. Who you send the book at Nisa, what could you with and you want cavity? One more pop. I didn't. Sabrabu ye focus ye yesu. Sabrabu wo nyame wo mpe bride wo ye pentimaminto. Ah, na mo mai kraso mo ware o po ba o CPC da na meboa. Na wo nyame afiri soro no aba befa we gede pentimaminto ne obi a wa hye ne nes. Afiri ha wo nyame wanye sa. Ne selection ye perfect. E ye expert nti utu sini wo mo obi yi wato achene. So what you say? Wo nyame se wo select wo ba Osalete wo ba wo kuteni munyama ne ho fe wo fa bibi boni bia nkeka ne ho enko adopti satan bibia sa na wo nyame fa wo ba wo wani munyama wo de ne pie Jesus Christ de wo ba ne pie ne papa nyima wo tu say yes me bai wo ni ndom enye di wo pentie no way enye di wo hihye wegi ahihye ne nsa ade tattoo nyina egugu ne ho no ni sa bride ne bi na Yesu Kristo di ko kire ne papa. Be wise. What a bride is seen a damning kikayin in home. I didn't hear. Honey, you be a Sabbatina Mehofel, and no corner buffalo. Or no one any cheer so in a me portrait, dear. We are no so camera. Listen, so. Sanyam Paya no Waba. O preachy or no one casasso, while one who to say preco, ne wigi sugu de chise bam. Onyame winning domo. Yesu Christo nim jumpa. The niswa dear fed papa. So the pretty woman top on the beat, he won't marry to that kind of bride. No way. No way. Brother one casa or with you. He said in a missy ball, but Bema Bessia ba. Etimia to was it me a sra. I yet tattoo so. E ye came and ye de na shenso de. What's the tattoo in a goo? And then I won't ye. O Babesia, yes, a came for some idea and shayasum. Would you walk at some as soon as my dear Nesha, who flew Mamu and as some idea Nesha sister, would you dear? Are they? I didn't agree. Is it the moment I you home? Did you meet to the near? What to the near? Oni passe kuye ni afidi e de kuye na dai no obo de pepe. Nkoye especially yene ya babruchire. Ekruma weda nkasa emanipa kra we de yefe. Weda na e wokruma nankasa. Emanipa every day because you krum mfuturo bi kra we kokko ne mfuturo no ebo wa nti no wadum kakra. If ube krum awa wa hanum ene wonye nsu dware ene ade no e ma we de no kra yefe. Eni da ho nyimku na uko fasransa nyapani na uko wansa enya duru na uko tekiansa ansa na we de eni da ho obi tuntum se wio ba wo hye we de eni atum se da ho utum se onyensu dware nti aye fe wo se ni pa wo ni ye kura we de eni nyefe didi ye nesra nkuto ubeye na didi na wodi esra nkuto besiaba se de wo besi be yai fe no enya agoro ube demusro nko mo wonya se preko mfifrete wa wo mo ade na moje I wonder Unyankopo so obeye ne tena bere wo yemu ye na sori dan ntikura na obi beto nyom konkre betena mi mu Yesu di mi ja o Yesu na ne konkro no obetena nipa mu na Awurade ayi ne fie kama na anye bia sa wo kwa han wo bi fie na wo kotena mu na wo no abo ne nchense so a uduru wa wo be han dan se muntutu nchense na mommo no foforo ukoya wa painti ni painti no blue ukoya o se na bi wo de yellow blue yellow color na yo fe nti yenye ni yesa painti fie no yellow wa pre fie ni nya wo dia anye bi fie wura ba wo no bi di ni yie die na den wunyame abo ni fie te say ye wo so be ye ne tena bere wo yemu onyankopon onti asori dan ye de nsa yemu wo so be ye ne tena bere wo yemu na onyankopon abo ye se ni suban so ne seso na wo so be ye ne tena bere wo yemu na koye wo fa so bo enwi nchanse egu ye tiri so ye se ye mpa ne sa ye be sesa no se ni usi bo we de no ye se da bi ye ba wuro ho nti so onyame hwe se ni usi bo na wo ba wo hu o sister wo sesa nti wuti mu Awurade bro no woto ne wo hu o wayira won sesem because wo sesa we de no ni padua na sesa make up de gu anim no wo hye wo hu ekuani so what you see obo so wo hile tale ho na akoto wo se ko doctor ho se ye nye ni yie wo miemi ha no mani nye street se bruni de so what you say obo wo so unufu ate agu nti no wo se ye de balu hwem wa bra making kan babu mi hu baby hana wo ye say wo breastfeed you because ni kunu no omo ye aso this you twa kola ni fo ansa ne ye na kokoma osofo eri nti say hana breastfeed me hu babu no baby ase say hana breastfeed ye wie ye no wo koy ma doctor e de balu hwehwe ni nufu ye no na na fu aye kese nti wo ko mas doctor say wutwitwa na yem nkugudi to nso na ha na no wo kora anu no kora no udi no ho fa ti ko be pese obegyina ne naso pa no wajibe ma na free ne kora nsam nso she did not do that. Why are we lying to ourselves? Why are we calling ourselves Christians but we don't do it? We call ourselves Christians, but we are the one insult God. We are the one insult Christ. What's the you say the day wa mamem our behavior nti obi hu ye kasa so ko nko bi muda. Ye ni ye lifestyle and nti obi to be share was your son that means you bi. Te say ye di fo yi and na obi won shada the foundation in your good no. Me nya sure say obi kasa obi kwa so bi. I just say nyame bam. Because the kind of lifestyle they portray, no, it doesn't fit as a Christian, as a prophet. So making Bible me kotu baby. Samuel to be begina ho say. Munyina mama mensaso. Mi dim kontom kwaje obi ade, omo se da bi. maje obi na ntwie omo se da bi maje obi efunu mu o se da bi me de nkontompa je obi ejapade o se da bi mabaye maye bibi poni bi wo ha ye be simu so hene monka onyankopon anim ene mo hene nanim ye mu bi yetumi kasa nso satan na Samuel ye dwuma na bo akokora even the makora wodi wo see as a judge nkola na ntumi anye trustworthy like their father wo mo chichi ademudie wo mo ntumi liti wo mo papa na mo wodi wo mo fast so tete wo mo Kristo so mo ne mano couldn't do that. Woman say almost say woman just stay time. Nti ye do almost say say woman ya ti mu afo no afi de no omuji adamudie they take bribes. But woman papa Samuel why you be that? You free you say nyamema but ade wo nyame anye no eno na ye. That's what we do. We call ourselves Christians, but the things that Christ did not do, we do it. So I wonder, nkoye bakusi, enye, nkoye, enye. Yansakra emu beyede se yansakra ya dwen ne yetena se ye Kristofo asembeba ihwe ne yemu bi ya na ye me wonwa your Bible no cause Samuel. 1 Samuel chapter 12. Verse 3. Osihwe minie. Munni me adanse Awurade ne de wasra no yi anim. Hwan na ntwie na mafa. Na hwan afunu na mafa. Na hwan na medi no anim. Na hwan na mahye ne so ana wahwe ho na magye na damudie na medi no memua mani mama no na manane mamenka English no 12 verse 1 Samuel chapter 12 verse 3. Muntie edifo ne bi muntie Samuel no ye edifo chapter 12 verse 3 1 Samuel chapter 12 verse 3 muntie se Awurade din wa mamam muntie de Samuel kan or say here I am testify against me in front of the Lord and in front of his anointed king. Did I take anyone's ox? Did I take anyone's donkey? Did I cheat or oppress anyone? Did I take a bribe from anyone to look the other way? If so, I will give it all back. Nipa domani mo. No jina mo busa sasi. Mu maten. Se me dim kontompa ju obi ate. Maji obi na ntwi maji obi afunu. Madada obi age na japade ana mayebi. Nso so yi na de say Samuel no oye nyame prophet. Nyame kasa kire no. Watena mu ba kokora o. Nso ne ma si so no ne ma no mu ji adamudie. O ma anye se wo mo se. So papa ni gire nyame anim tena se kronkron yem. Aye prophet adwuma no ewie abo akokora. Ejina nipa dom ene wo hene nim eka se hwan ene ma gine ho bibi onso no meka me bo ho mpre no nam de ama no obi anjima bie obi antimi ama utumi ma because wonye form was they answered, you didn't cheat us, oppress us or take anything from anyone. Samuel told them, "The Lord is a witness to what you have said, and his anointed king is a witness today that you have found nothing in my hands." He is a witness. Witnesses, they answered. What? And then, if we say, we say, Samuel, yes, he is guilty. On you will be a bibia, on fan contempo, you will be a dear. Sanity. But a bar, you bet me, dear, one dance, you see. No way. Go for and not me cotton cotton, minimum baby cassa. No, see, my man, not sure. He said, "You may cost on an order." No, see, me, a fixing me do quick. No, see, me, day. Or say, pa, so many woman. In fact, I'm not sure. See, ni papa and ye pa. One way, you make a bow, also when you're kissing. No, see, a day. Or say, me buy. Me them run TV benanti. Ah, it be crack and come a Bible. It can come a Bible, a moody mechi, we be in a no, oh, let me go deeper life. When never be in no, or see, oh, me cry minister for well and am. Me na me corner sorry, as I for you. When never be in a no, oh, no, me, what's on the way? It was soon I say, oh, dear, a muche. No, so one kind. A brat tea come, some boys you would in a chin again. Including the ones who read the Bible. Why not you put deliverance on cross to the body deliverance be? What? So what's this our boy say that so Facebook? If you know so we evangelist, if you know so we a prophet, be wise with the people that you see them on this Facebook. What's who be saying who say Inti se wo kenkan Bible no na wo kokoto saade no nti anibia ya na wo yam enhyew wo yam ya na enhyew no se mi amu de me benanten onyame ni purpose nti wo de me bae sa mo nkosia de nya bi na me yo afa na ba ko di bi kan aba ai obe confess that the make I obe confess. I say me kotena me no bi koye adwuma na nipa koro no na wo ye me say na ma saade ne ka ho ba ko so akra no me ko ba bia bo se wo no so wo no wo ba na no so adonko no koto ne pa no wasamba no be fa Bible no go Facebook la ba mo hweye na ye ne ye wo ha no 99% 99 kura no em say e na ye ba eno iswa 99.9 enkoyo enyenyenyenyenyenyenye na msi ai ubi sori osio tumudifo ni Ghana na nsemi nkọhwa TV3 woe unto you munye your man at the say tumudifo right to Ghana government to be signing and they don't have right to be on TV. They don't. Or minor coins will sue TV3 if TV3 for allow this kind of behavior and with TV this one or minor coins see one because we move say ma. Yes, we be the Bellamundo so what my friend say. They were trying so we move fret to mudifu ya beka o makosem. And you be a Christopher or go through so the much more so we make makosem Christosumu the things that they are facing. But when you could draw after to mudifu say one TV no so met na so for free. Mami not to preach obia mami airtime. One no met na so for free. And can problem a woman face here because of say woman you kojo besia. And to Ubana will school to one woman. Was the idea we plan me? You be entertaining me. So someone baby echo. Fufu Sabri be business in you. I will be a to Jesus Christ. No one will the echo so. Woman sacrifice. you. Thank you. Host to cruci. Woman host to minion listen grammophone woman better minion. Minion is the one our boy ready day and a cruci ever tally nan campus woman. You have to boycott TV3. Me nada. Sample where you woman independent blow. So I want to see a man quite so be on Ghana, the Asadi video. Miss Woman also says that you I can't set government didn't pay Mrs. to say. Necessity of paying for pains is no more do TV suite. Dear Elconia Wow Becca, no any Pabonini. Wow Becca, na Samato. And then my Kosovo Ghana any Nkofobe Bill stations and they should allow so be a family sitting and saying Canadian Japan will go for me say Papa no when your mother say what the new be the yellow when you remember Kosovo man is the Ghana manager some man son there a holy man son one Chimaya to be Kasa one Chimaya. He should bring them down, face down, on from when you move from Mr. Toby and Makai Jerry Rollins. JJ, sorry, Shagari Pest or Sell, Marjorie Wife. JJ, so Mr. Papa, no help for me, command. Shagari Pest or JJ. Ah, Mr. Neighbor could be a same boise. What you move to do? What catch what chichi not to say, ma. Now she warn you, they ma woman so mama quine, man cruise to be best sign yama, and will bossy crude you, not the way the man is talking, who thinks when you be a small ball, who to say discipline, yeah, Juma. What I will both on Chenekra. Hey, I was afraid when you deal with the man, no friend made Jankuni, or not down. So what you say? I like the phone you know, Ninian said the man was justice. One morning, Cossiasm. So one only pass to pie different. One kind of sorry, found Saba to me so. Best of me, I remember Namena, and what did I was one kind of sorry. And then see what can get here. Nka we can be sick me. Hey, it will be a good movie to watch. Mumu refuse some one kind of sorry. One kind of sorry person. The way the soldiers did, because no papa no, close to be called was a fun go for you. Did you see what Miss Satanami Shokra, but me TV pa? Difference. Move fiasem. Seka papa we pa brasunia. Kawu mekana kura kawu be na amokasi ya sore kwa na no. Yes kata munyina ne ya chimosofo no. Mwanza sofo no hukum nipa no. Mwanza sofo na yikum nkola. Yetu nkofu muja no kasem kasi bisi. Kasem bisi. Misre nyame se Canadian Japan akonya kese no man metena so dako. One day was say one day one may Nebuchadnezzar. Now what for asofo yi a o mama say you who sofo papa yi. They say woman dey body nti asofo papa kora ni mu guase. Because woman ko kan e dey be kan sofo papa fo. And so someone no you default say woman. Or you default say woman ye nya no ho semanka. So what you say? Onyame, si yemfane dey jam through. Wo tarnish ni image. Wa bra obi to me obi bibi was deformation of character. Sasa na moka no was see in the court. Mo dey mo deformation of character mo ye tie Yesu dey. And what dey? So was obi see mu court. Me say mo be ko faris kwa. So what you say? You should dey you say na me aduma na agiafo nyina de mayafi bo mu ekokotena sore dem ni nyina ne se wo pe bibie hu wo na kenya me asama kire won sika diefo nko a na asofo atufo bi so muto beba enche asofo bete wonya period and call sorry, unya period so Bible mu. Anya bia ye nkremofo. Ye ntitu be so tire me se. Sa ben ni pom no oba na honkoko tinu mu no. So wanya the period that Yesu be ja no ho. Ade no mu dada ni pasa. Ade. Last na meka me nshas mande fo yasemi. Obi tincha no wodi matam. Me wodi matam me mfa ho. E mai bebre e bi frɛ ma me no to sister bi ye. Mi hu kra ka mbo ma mutie. Utu wo su anisa. O se me ni mama to agu. Sister me ni mama to agu. Na me se na akɔhwe Yesu nzu hu. So we hu no. Woni ma na wasomade na wo yiato wo no nkyerɛ sɛ wo behu Yesu. Hum kronkron na na hwehwe na kyiri kwan. O se so obi ni Kristo hum onya ne dia. Wankasa so obi hya asomade a onya ne dia. Ye dada bi no. Ye se wo unya period en so Bible. Wo ba so ne ne ukunu na. E dey say correction bo mfansa nzom. Oba ni wo kwan so de so tight him. And so ye dey tight if you oba o. What is wrong with this? Ye dada ni pani but they don't see it. Anything than you mu bi na da waje ni tensa. Ade bi wo ho mu a e wo so hu sa ade we a me hu yi enkoyi ade we enye nyame de. Sister na wa woro no ho se prekodu. De wode we de kakra ka ahye sese bo a wa ye wade wo mu da mu. Wo si wo so wo lidi prayers no. Wono ankasa, wono nyame toto boxing if you don't know. Wono nyame toto pepa enye kono. Wo so wo nyame amu ni yie. Wo nyame yi mistake. Na wo so wo man ni yigu na wam. Na wo so wo man ye kokko. Na wo so wo man ni mowre efiri akodu. Maami ye woto wo prichi wo peda ne nsa ne mowre ni firi akodu. Na nsa ya quarantine yi ba ye ya tutu bibia mu yi e na enye wade se wasakra on sakra yo it means ne shop na wo kono ya pu entia wo mu bie pe obesakọ akọ hyehyɛ mowre no efiri ha beka nso krusu yi da so di nachi ye kasa na mo betu ya ha o ma me no to wade onim die eye no kore mi nim hwe nyame nim ma me de bi nim hwe na nso so wa mo wani na wa ebe ye wo se uko Yesu nkyai nso no wamane ebe ye wo se ekwan papa no so na onam na so na wamane complete nima ekoso ne nye ye kan mama yenka na sabri obi amre na so se no nti wo nyankopon asem mu no fusuo kronkron ko Bible nim na wo so kusia de Mary Magdalene no di na esi enso Bible na oba be de nkugu Yesu Kristo na asem a whole God ono ni asem no asem na mo si ni period o me enso mu a whole God ono ni asem no mami to ne bo si hwe o ye good na asem de nsafefa ho ye e de ni tini to ne susu e pepa ye de ni tini pepa ye de ni tini pepa ye de ni tini to pepa so Yesu nemu to say yes o massage papa ye nemu papa ye nkasa yi oba nso mi mu Mukroman gets us close no and man getting too close to the stand say we grab his feet and pour a duham loving the and wipe it with our hair. Me just sure say your wig and a lady in the paper yes now Debbie and you need training na kasa what body man no the paper yes now. So what you say? Ye ka first evangelist or what Bible ma only Samaria liba. Samaria foi. Momra metio bia ore bia mehu no. Woni di mi kagane kokuru no. E ko kan ye. Yesu Kristo ho asam de wo hu de papa na kacha na nipa de gichi oba abesia. Anye bia no we the period na say no we the period. What are you talking about? Yesu Kristo bu budan oba abesia be ko esie ho. Nya kokudru ko ho. Why? Ebi no so peja o se oba mprichi. So oba mprichi eye no kore. Be man susu mprichi e no so ye no kore. Oba ne be man nyina obi am qualify to preach. When you preach it, you preach a Hong Kong. It is a Hong Kong better or Bama or back to be preaching. Hong Kong better Bama, Bama to be preaching. So Hong Kong ma or Bama will equal to preach it. Hong Kong ma Bama will equal to preach it. It's never bar and not Bama the preaching. And your Hong Kong and the preaching. It is a heaven. So Mamma could be was to be the Christo Mamma want. Romans chapter 8 verse 9. Was this will be the Christo on Yanadia. It is a heavy one, Mamma could be the additions who carry the Spirit of God. And you must say, that is to be banner. So, our banner will carry the Spirit. So, within the period of all be. You guys are joking. Some of the pastors now, me with the Mujia. Want to be Komsa, Chawamosa, Giri. That's what Shamba, well, you know, cheaper, not so no, Naku, Emre, Igu. And the Bible for baby. What's your one thing, dear? But what you better not sorry now, them when you go a I was sorry them what to say, wait, dear, I'm not dead. And go here. So we near May, oh, Papa, ready to come down and make on sorry. Papa, ready to be not sorry, and the Hembre woman, who said yes, said the air canoe, said yes, and it's here. And go here. Why? Brother, sister, and now that when you will. Tina Yesu Christo di Cambo Ekoko. Also, Munshi will be another. Munshi will be another. Munshi will be another. Cancer or see another brand new you. A default to four, and they say a Sampaka for true for, a soft for Zam for. When you know to what they say, your dear fra, and tis a one she year. I'm going to go on you will be in big trouble. You will be in big trouble. You say, Ujina Brani, and so now what that? Anything is wrong. Nipamucho. Ghana, you're sorry, your mom payo. About the sign in the TV station. I got cheat to Moody for a better also make on Wakosum. And the Akosum, woman no one Wakosum. Woman pony, they do on the war. Woman no one ever can't custom. I will make us no say and say. When a man quench also for so a problem. Yes. Ubeko problem. Yet yo, and would get on your medija. I got to Sodom and Gomorrah. Or she in and say, a Chumudi for Duma or Moody no or Mpe. And the Biba, when the answer now, I can't train. Nti Biba and say, I want to Mumra. No way. Yan just so. No, you catch me upon the set. Sakrawaji, no Swahili. Sawood Uniba, who talk us to Yesu Christo Babatua, or Batua to Jim. Any movie, yes, so. So what you see? It is in your make up who are mine about the more shall see ye. The more shall see a Gigi's way. Ntie. One woman be so with the TV suite, over corner me softening the past who soften the teacher pa and can we entertain this and your way, even though you have most sick and can you even take it? And generally pay the meal and generally pack of shots as in Kukum. One and then names a Benedict Yako, obey your horse sabre. One and then him. One and names a prophet set from Paul, obey your horse sabre. One and him. Do nama to walk away. I do never so one penno. Johnny Flew. See you, bois. So what you say? Me trust na me jene. Na me share said the diffo bia ye. Enne Abraham Moshe. Ebenya bia kan na ye me ya. So what you say? Eye me ya trese ye de Yesu Christo di na bataye ho nti wo be mo ye di without say one mention Christ nti ye body nti ama ye forgive our master Jesus Christ about me whereby won ka bi shebu woni ho wo on kanche wo bia so nkobu nkofo mfaso. Why? So if you call yourself Christian, show we na wunti obi eni di Christo ato. Be wise. Ye papa, ni what them. Ne mume koye boni, bi ni watam nanye enkoye mfata Kristo. We are living in a dangerous time, and danger is ahead of us. You go home, your last period, grace period, when you wait, your man can eat here. It is will be behavior for one free sampling and 1 10. And yes, I the ever is so. And what they say, the Yahoo. The empire so no, I know a day, I see the Yahoo. Brasso, see a boy who na media shanson amaye. Na the ABC no, yan go through. And yes, sir, the one could tell you Christ shanson, that person will be tormented. Miss someone need him. Mpepeso ye do no, and yet for the agro. Be ye. Say yes to a man nakura, winning that will be woo. Obia shed who ye. And a she so no one casentia, yes to Christo. She no one casentia home concon. Mumu be in some by a beer for whom did yes what them be wise. She ye, and yes, I send battle. So what I say. Omuna kwa na Satan de oma ya adwuma Yesu Kristo nim ho hwe oma fa ne din ena omudidi nsemone enti hweyi no wama wano ampa ani di Yesu Kristo nyame ba na tam hweyi be wise asamna da wasa no akoye se besepani ko na haban yetase ne benyansafo wan kasaye na akokasete Yesu Kristo asammeto wan kasaye ukokasete ho nkonkron asammeto. And need to be wise. Obia ukutenya midi edi di atro edi yin yemafie no ne to beda ho. Nkenye hu obi ofa Bible to ne naso. Osi me yetirumudifo. Ti me kan Bible wo public. Si ye preach osi me yetirumudifo brother. Edi in the house ano. Owie ye no osanya kokoduro abetena Facebook aso camera. Sa wo ye professor. Bisuso tumi anya kokoduro abetranse so evangelist omu wieso asori kese no mu so opie no kase we deeper life ni a office we deeper life ni opie no so okopila of Zion office okopila of Zion and so na ne ye ne djuma hodi no emfata papa no odi pillar of Zion oni mu no emfata papa no a komi yi no odi e dey say deeper life oni mu no emfata papa ko si wona odi e dey say pillar of Zion wedi no emfata no emfata Pentecost pani odi edi mu no emfata no ba fine oso wo yi oni se ne to no wose no e ma ya no mo nhye na tu mu defo bebre ada no mo ho asofo gu Facebook hye no amu bi na da so eni oyesofo won hye asambeto anra mi ba menum na se ha was there some me na make a tro ni ni atro ese obi apaso hiding the stuff when yamimu okuta unfi no obeche Bible was sister anotwa unfa susu wo mo na tade ni shirt white wo bonnet tie kama kuta Bible no se ni wo sikin kan Bible tum se yes nja wo nso se ni ma we nyina e hihye suma se was one time me koku se no erade si jare because ukruzu na wo kan ho no enkoye so what you say no me dey nyame wo Samuel odi for Samuel enti me dey nyame so tete ne ma ama wo mu wie beje bribe a enyame manwa wo enyame manwa se Eli osofo Eli edi nyame so tete ne ma ama wo mu betena se buru nyama ye ni mafunu a enyame manwa mpempenso ye du nukoku tiri onte mane bawo ti sa wo so ye ufre wo nyankopon ba na wo practice di nyame practice woni begu ase Samuel ma omoni mgu ase nkrofo na ko Samuel ni ko katere no bigini kra wanye ni no nyame siti di wo mo kan si ni ma wo no nyaje asmo mo kan ye no kure. So what you say? sofunti, why a sofubenti, be wise. Be a friend, a media friend. To be very wise. Bombaye, busa radi, nipana uti no way wine, busano, busa radina radina kasa, when you nipano non financial. Busa radi. Busa radi, send the boss messy what to be preaching and super say, and you're preaching no. And you're preaching no, and it will be go school, or to me be a Bible, or to be crack and can't tell me. Or bet you pop pen, and so on to say. Be wise. Why get this? A be fool, a be yo, fe. Cause nipa, Yesu Christo di boneno, and those who say one more, when we Yesu Christo di, and they are the papa. So what you say? In Koye, and nye. Utu musa nitina samu jina hokasa me go to boy you be ade. Ma ju obi na ntwe, aju obi afunu. Magana obi ejine japa de. Ni nyina nsa ne mana debi. Nti e wo so declare yourself. Monka munye nadim ade awrade anim. Mama no twa metia me nada obi a. Why no se mama ba na po agin sika won kyero mo. Why na se mama no twa fafo afra no sister kuya. We dem sell mo me bosia $2,000 na kyere yi enya make asa kyere me se bo afode. Why dey wo se maya sa won kyero mo. Me tra Facebook yi so achapa. Ni pakron kyero no mfami wo. Enka se dasi date yasmesi. Mama no twa wo frɛ me. Asem say na aka kyere me misika so mesi bi di wo. Ne wo se maya ne sa won kyero mo. De wo se maya ne frakadam won kyero mo. De wo se ma frɛ no woni fie ahye ne nkom ono so kyero mo. Mimi ni manu ye ntimi kwa na mikuta mekura. Yesu na midi na chi no minim die ntia midi papa na chi me sa papa no for dankwa mini papa na chi for fie mini papa na chi for sika mini papa na chi for cars mini papa na chi for yeyo midi na chi purposely say dankwa opie na ni munyama wo de me be kwa kodi de nsada and it apart from dankwa no me nhwehwe biom. But it be no. Womu power mu wanyantam. Ti bone na ekoso. If Yesu din ye de betena se. But idura na joa wonu adi adanse ye se. Honhom atini mu no ye Yesu Kristo dia. Bra wo bo usuma se no enye Yesu Kristo dia. Eye Yesu akonye sa. Nso ade echipe na Bible da na so oso wo preach a kire obi. Whereby ya ono nkasa edwuma kase wo ne ho. Ntwi. Misre bra de say e brese we mu obi a wo ye ne dia wo hu ne mobo no onye. Obi a wo ye ne dia se skills go na ni so a emfifiri mu te se de so e de fifiri gu ya de say Paul e de fifiri gu e wo Damascus. Every flingu no who no cry want to me identify say this is a real truth. Lady me send me message. Mama no to me sofu bi am se me ko Ghana kra me ko na sorry wo so obanya ne period wo nkwa sorry obanye se aha e na wo say sofu wu akra onye sofu biom adom na free me sa ni show bigu. Munshi papa no woni no bono ho mpai no nya menyini nkyira me a metie e bia wo hu me physical woni me a bo me ho mpai no nya me nkyira onipa me eni nkofo anu achi wabra wo mfa wani ku tuensi ehuni ye nipa bi wonya da yesu nkro wonya mitimi bi yesu kyiro ni wiase nipa didi wie on kansem wie nyensem nyina na ibetuma betena se ne asopeti egu ho a kire enima bebre ho no ma yeso yiwu ni aka ya not ni si wo ye de idiyelem. The most dangerous place is Facebook. WhatsApp. Danger. This when you make one, massa. Ube jano nemrika. Misramu. Mo moni ambresa mo pe Yesu Kristo wako. Mo susu mie mo asoma nsem. Mo susu emie mo so. Ate. What na say? Se wa brabo. E die na enye wo. Invite Yesu Kristo. No metre ni padua bo bra pepepepepepe. Jaya fokubo. Jaya anantie. Na cruise bi a ebinom fra wo ho asofo no. Se dodo na ya tumudifo. Wadwe be o se wanya kunu. Me say bra, I was shocked. So what you say? Na mo yesanso. Misrenya mema mo so wo hu mo nimra mo ho so ntem before it's too late. Before it's too late, cause I'm there ehu so will be ti bone kesim no wo safa Bible ato ne naso. Wo di Awurade ho fe. Be wise. Anyesa onyame ni bubefu. So what you say? Because what kind etre someone. O se me ba be ye bibi wo Israel ni pa beti no maso be ye o mo chi o. Mo nhye onyame be ye bibi ama nipa bi asom aye o mo chi o. Be wise. Hweye ne bre ye wo mu yi eye bre boni. We are living in a dangerous time and still danger is ahead of us. Yes. Unyansafo obenya ni tire didim. Na tigane ni pade obekwa me bunu no nim si yebu no. Obekwa me hwehwan no nim si hwehwan no. Obekwa kosoma bosom no nim so te abosomfie. So what you say? Be wise. Nsori na mo kono mo asese mo ntenase. Mo se radio ye bebia sori ya. Mo se urade asori be na menko enfite prekope fantoma mo mu o nko asori bi asakwa shasi ye ho dwuma ni bia wo hu ba bia wo du oni be kire anyesa enne ebe yo se usum nyame wo be wie sakowura asori bi mu na ya bosom ne shasi na onyame soso wo se ensum nyame fufuro bi nkame ho afi na wo kugina wo se nyame tamfo afi from pine to fire asembeto nti shase sabre ya wo nyami asore na bompa yese ye bia asore na ehifa na menkro anyesa asembeto misre wurade so wo hu ye nyina mobo mpempenso ye duru no obi nsitiro do mato de ekoso no fuoni wa ankasa woni ene wadu hwade mo gugu sansore no similar to obi no obi empie nkoje ya nkurankure Islam pa na mo hyase mo mpaye ne se mo sugu Awurade so e ka mo bone a Awurade ye no kofo ne tinini o de be chawo kai bi mu no wa direct to the real church asobi ahonkonkon etim Islam pa ene kakra bi se kakra bi wo sra jai sra wo yiso ye se preko jai na mo betra se na mo ye la no na mo hu kra ye pufu mo ye wa hwehwe ne mo wura ko keka ha jai di odi wege Brazilian hair abutu ne tie yutu chene na wonu onyame ejina kokoraba so na anim isre wurade so wo hu ye nyina mobo akaka krebi na de obeba na nyamba na de di anim no event di anim no emudu esoso misisi ene o se wo hu bi da aboa no yi ne beche na no te se pane ne to estinkiwa egura tru unipadua wedi anim boboba ebi tu te se wo ba bia last me mu refi se me catch up say menya dream Nesi tutu metu for bebia. Na dia no maye ne se menam krum. Ye say no maye. Me Bible yi say no maye ni si manim say nam didi America. Na eboa ba kokoro ntimi nkame. Nso no mo nam krum menya. Dia protect me nim ye me Bible yi ne kuta me say nam didi America. Nso ba kokoro ntimi mem nso no maye menya. Die ni mo no so. Ntu fa Yesu Kristo ene me kan fo na mo. Johnny to Jesus Christ. Friend say we de betena me. Mi suban dada me yasafo a. Mi suban dada, ma brabo dada me jai. Efi ne kro erade. Me boni amaye nyina me jai. Me fa mi nipadua yi so. Boni amaye nyina me nko ho biem. Betena me mu ne fa me ye de ope. To me di wo nko manum. E se opie no, ocheno. Me so metimi ne wakodi da nsada. Wo kasa wie se wom. Che wo firi boni bia na utim bia no. Na rese urade o mewa. Isre urade ma. Samo wo woni mfra nko wom. O ma wo mu se di boye ni. O ma mu se tinini ni. Onyame hu mobo na onye awiye brem. Se wo ko wure ba bia ye fra woni a onyame mie wani. So what you say? Na onhu mobo skills ne gu ani so no on propumu na wani na ho sa wada awrade wonya no because na mada awrade nya na ni sabe wi e wo se de wada bia sori nye sa wonam nanim e be ko wu sire awrade mo wodi nko topa ju bia de si homo wo chimpo jai uji wo be kunu jai wodi nkonto paju bia de jai wona malam fo enduro so jai be yetu mu kotochebe be bia o practice bia run for your life ne braka yenim ne tia your grace period akaka krabe na Yesu Kristo yi adom no akoma Israel for back nti sabri edi America edwane ato Yesu Kristo no wo ye mobo no de boni a chei uyi nyi tugu efi ne kure ne biem wo take back control hwiye na asem beto jai wo chichu be ma jai wo ye tiri mudifo efi ne kure jai enye bibiem wo kekan kofo won sam kekan ni patri bom jai wo ni konkonsan de wo ni na aka jai. Be wise. And yes, sir, assemble. And make a crabby see. A quadu ran casanche. Miss Rebbe say, the small number mudia benina in Kugos as a passo. Na and so a home. A rather made I was sick. Be showing him when I'm your cassius with dinkunim. Now, Namimu, I had you must want it to say. Miss Rossama semi Kugos as a passo. Na and so a home. Mo to me in the assembly. Na any nipa in shin nipa in freedom. Ewi yebremu na opi wani munama ya nya yiraba meda wasese wadi nkonim adom no nti amen ene kakra bi say wonderful